Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into masterfully utilizing Notion for task delegation among teams. The first step is to create a workspace. This is your team's central hub where all your pages, databases, and shared content will live. Constructing a workspace ensures that every team member can access and contribute to the project, promoting collaboration and transparency. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a team page within your workspace. Here's where you can add individual project pages, meeting notes, and resources. This step is crucial as it helps to organize your team's work and makes it easier to navigate. Next up, we're going to create a task board. Notion's Kanban-style layout allows you to visually manage tasks and see the workflow. The reason we do this is to track the progress of tasks and projects, making it simple to identify what's been done, what's currently in progress, and what's next. Now let's add your team members and assign tasks. Just click on the Share button at the top right of your page, then enter your team members' email addresses. Once they're added, assign tasks by clicking on the Assign button on each task card. This helps us because it clearly delineates responsibilities and ensures everyone knows their role. Finally, we set due dates for each task. Click on the calendar icon in each task card to select a due date. This step is crucial as it helps your team stay on track and ensures timely completion of tasks. Let me explain why this matters. By assigning tasks and setting due dates, you're building a culture of accountability and ownership within your team, which is key for productivity and efficiency. And there you have it, folks. By following these steps, you're well on your way to effectively using Notion for task delegation among your team. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, a well-organized team is a productive team. Until next time, happy delegating.